Hey guys, so we have quite a bit of math to do today. It's a math heavy day. So if you can't get through all of it, that's fine. Do what you can. Maybe do a little bit more tomorrow. Tomorrow is a lighter math day. We're in the Mod 1, Topic G, Lesson 33 through 39 packet. We are on page 9, Interactive Notebook. So you are going to rip this page out. Bing! You are, sorry, I got interrupted. So you're going to cut out problems that equal 1, problems that equal 0, okay? You can glue them at the top of another page or just set them down on a counter. Then you're going to solve all of these subtraction equations. And then you're going to put the ones that equal 1 under that tab and the ones that equal 0 under that tab. So you're going to sort them into 2 categories. Ding, ding. Okay, and snap a picture of it and send it to me. Okay, so that's page 9, Interactive Notebook. Cut, solve, or solve, cut, sort. Like I said, you can glue them on a piece of paper. You can just lay them out for me and snap a picture. Either way, okay? So that is job number 1. Job number 2 is our 90-second sprint. So you're going to have someone time you for 90 seconds on page 10. And you're just going to solve the missing number. So 2 take away 2, 2 take away 2 equals 0. Write it in the box. And then so on and so forth. And then when you get to like number, let's see, number 16, they flip the equation on you. So 0 is equal to 10 take away. What do you have to take away from 10 to get 0? You'll write that number there. And then when you get to 23, they start to have missing numbers in the equations. So go as far as you can in 90 seconds. So you might not get all the way through this. That's absolutely fine. Most of you probably won't in 90 seconds. Some of you might. So do what you can in 90 seconds and then have your family correct it and write how many correct you got up here. Snap a picture and send it to me. Okay, so that's job number 2. Don't worry about page 11. We will come back to that on Wednesday. So Wednesday we'll do page 11. So for now, just skip it. Looking at page 12, starting lesson 35. So make sure you watch the lesson 35 video. It's right above this. And then we'll get started. So it wants us to solve the sets of number sentences and look for easy groups to cross off. Okay, so I'm going to use this first set here. They both start with 6. So this set goes to this problem and this set can go to that problem. So 6 take away 5. Well, an easy group to cross off would be 5. 6 take away 5 leaves me with 1. 6 take away 1, I don't need to cross out from the 5 group. I can just cross out this 1 and see that I have 5. You see that? So 6 take away 5, I can just cross out my 5 group and see that there's 1 left. 6 take away 1, I just cross out my 1 and can easily see that there's 5 left. That's what they mean by that. Okay, let's do number 2 together. So I've got 8 take away 3. Well, here's 5, 6, 7, 8. What's going to be my easiest way to cross it out? The 3 white ones, right? Because then I know I have 5 left. It's real easy to see. And then if I have 8 take away 5, what one do I cross out? My 5 group. Exactly. You guys are getting it. Cross out my 5 group and I can easily see that there are 3 left. Okay, so do the same thing for number 3 over here. Okay, you guys go ahead and do that one. All right, let's take a look at numbers 4 and 5. They want us to subtract, make a math drawing for each problem like the ones above, and then write a number bond. So 7 take away 5. Well, I need 7, so first I got to make my 5 group because it's more than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to color those in. How many do I have to add to 5 to get 7? 2, 5, 6, 7. So then I'm going to do 2 like this. Okay, so 7 take away 5. I'll cross out my 5 and see that I have 2 left. Bing. And then for my next one, it's 7 take away 2. So again, I'll make the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group. I have a hard time keeping my things straight. They're all curving on me. And then 2 more. So I've got my 7. 7 take away 2. I'm going to cross out my 2 and see that I have 5 left. Okay, what's my total amount? 7, right? The full amount that I start with is 7 both times. And what are my 2 parts? 5 and 2. Good. 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Now, they want you to do the same thing over here for 10 take away 5. So you're going to draw me 10, which is 2 5 groups. Ooh, ran out of room. 2 5 groups. Cross out 5. Tell me how many are left. 10 is my total. And then what are my 2 parts? Go ahead and finish that up. And then that'll be it for lesson 35, page 12. Snap a picture of that and send it on over to me. And then we're going to do lesson 35, page 13. So number 6 says solve, visualize your 5 groups to help you. So you're just going to solve for the missing number. So 7 take away 5, 2. Start at 7, take away 5. I have 2 left. You can visualize the 5 groups in the 5 group in your head. You have 5, 2 more for 7. Take away those 5. You have the 2 more. You can start at 5 and count up to 7. 7 take away what equals 5? Well, those are definitely related because I have a 7 and a 5, just like in A. So what would I take if I go 7 take away 5 and I get 2? What would I take away from 7 to get 5? I have 7. I'm going to end up with 5 left. How many do I have to take away? 2. See how those are related? Okay. You're going to go ahead and do the same thing for C, D, E, and F. And I see that C and F are related and D and E are related. So keep an eye on that. Let's look at number 7. So 7 through 12, they want us to complete the number bond and number sentence for each problem. So 4 take away 2 is how many? I have 4. I take away 2. I'm left with 2. Okay. 4 take away 2, left with 2. 4 is my whole, 2 is one of my parts. What's my other part? 2. 2 and 2 are 4. Okay, notice how all my numbers are the same. Some of you are doing these and putting in different numbers, so like 3 and 1. That's not what this is. We need to match this to this. Okay, let's look at number 2. Or sorry, number 8. 6 take away 3. I have 6. I take away 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 3. Working on some doubles here, it looks like. Double trouble. Double trouble. Doubles is when we add the same number to itself. So go ahead and do 10 or 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yep. And then 13 wants us to complete the number sentence below and then circle the strategy that can help you. So for 7, take away 5. Is it easier to picture the 5 groups in your head, or is there a double in there somewhere that you can use? So sometimes when I'm solving a problem, it's easier to use doubles to solve it. Sometimes it's easier to use the 5 group. So for 7, take away 5. It's easier to use the 5 group. I take away that 5. I know I have 2 left. So I'm going to put 2 and circle 5 group. Okay, and the one down below it, 7, take away 2, same thing. It equals 5. I have 7, I take away 2, I'm left with my 5 group. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 group again. Now 8 take away 4, well 8 take away 4 is not easier to use a 5 group because I'm not taking away a 5 or being left with a 5. It's a double. I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So if I have 8 and I take away 4, I know that it's got to be 4 because that's a double. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so I'm going to put 8 take away 4 equals 4 and circle the double. All right, so you choose which way helps you. And go ahead and complete D, E, and F. And that will be lesson 35, page 13. Okay, and that is it for today for math. And we will see you guys tomorrow.